I'm cleaning out my car. Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm B Preachy. And I figured I would just clean out my car and like decorate and stuff today because she really needs it. Yeah, it's a mess. It could be worse, but it could be better. I've got some blankets and pillows and stuff for the back, and I should probably like vacuum it or something. We're gonna see if I do that today though, because I'm lazy. Maybe some stickers. Maybe I'll do something with the roof, you know? We'll see. I'm not really sure yet. So the first thing we're gonna do obviously is clean out all of the trash in my car that for some reason everybody likes to leave, even though I literally have a trash right here. It's missing a trash bag, but I literally have a trash right here, but for some reason everybody just decides to throw it on the floor. So wonderful, great for me. Oh my gosh,
Hi, baby. What are you doing? So handsome. Where are you going? Come back.
There's still sand stuck in this tripod and it's jamming it. I use these trash bags from the vegetables at the grocery store. If I move my car like that, that. I just touched a fly. Like that to the move it to the side. It's fine. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh. Our first piece of decoration. Oh, I ripped it. I keep ripping it. It's a sticker. Nice. That was good though. Ugh. Good lord. I don't know why I did that. That didn't work. Looks like my car is steamy. There's like steam coming off my car now. It'll come off on its own. It's fine. Ow! Oh my god. I found one of my chapsticks. If you know me, you know I always lose my chapsticks. I always lose my chapsticks! This is ridiculous. Ew. I've got like 2 other mysterious chapsticks. But I think I'm just gonna throw them away, to be honest. This one's empty! Ugh. Hello? I can't even get the lid off of this one. What? It all got melted to one side. Okay, this is not trash. Gross. Ew. Ew. Disgusting. Ugh. This needs to be washed. Ugh. Ow. Fuck. How many times am I gonna do that? Girl. Thank you. Ew. There's like oil and bugs. I don't know where that came from. You know, this is on me for being too lazy to put a trash bag down this time. I think it was from this, like, fry sauce thing. Nasty. Not this time. There. That was really aggressive for no reason. What are you doing?
I gotta run this down to the little store.
Why? Oh, to give it to somebody?
Yeah.
Wow. This thing has been through a lot. That's... Oh my gosh. Yeah, this thing's pretty old. Definitely been through a lot. Oh man, it's been so long since I longboarded. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. I think they're fine. I mean, I haven't tightened them for like 2 years, but it's fine. I think it's fine. Let's try it. I haven't longboarded in like 2 years. I miss it. There's too many big rocks. You want to try it?
Do I want to try it?
Do you want to try it?
Not the way I'm feeling. You found it in your car cleaning it?
Well, I knew it was in there.
Yeah. Not very good with these rocks, though.
Yeah, I've tripped over them like 10 times. Okay. I've seriously got to clean my car. I can't keep getting distracted. Got stuff from the run fair. I never took it out of my car. Yippee! Hey! I just want to see if it actually works. Bro. Am I dumb or? Okay. Yes, the answer is yes. You need to move because I need to open this thingy. Now, don't be doing that. Stay. God damn it. Here. Ow. This goes in here. Okay. Alright. It's actually not too dirty back here. It's actually pretty clean from the last time. Okay. Ow. Done. I'm already tired. I didn't even do anything. I just threw away the trash. Oh, hey, there's a spider outside of my car. I need to do yoga more or something because everything hurts. I hurt my ribs. Look at my hat though. Can you see it? Look how cute. I think it's nap time. Ow. Nope. Get up. I've got to finish this. I can do it. You know what? I'm not going to vacuum today though. That's too much work. I'm way too tired to do that. I really want to take a nap. I'm not going to lie. No! Let's go. Can't see the screen because of the reflection, but I hope that you can see the inside of the car. Okay, so I've got all the blankets and pillows and stuff. Usually I keep the seats up and I decorate it like that, but I'm actually going to put these down because my friends and I used it more as like a bed than sitting in the back seat. So I think I'm just gonna make like a little hangout spot. You know what is kind of annoying though is that these are up more, but I understand it's not really for you to sit in it. It's to like put stuff in your car, but like whatever. I landed on my keys and locked the doors. Okay. It's winter. It's gonna be a lot better to have like an actual little like bed hangout spot. Cozy up on. Read some books or something or play games in the back. It stays nice and warm in here always, so it's better than outside. Out. Also, another one of my shopping bags, so nice. Okay. I don't have a whole lot of pillows I'm willing to put outside in the dirt that could possibly get ruined, but I do have these. So 1, 2, and I'm gonna put this guy out here because I originally got him to put in my car, but then I decided I liked him too much. But now I'm deciding I'm putting him back in my car because that's where he belongs. That's what he was meant for. So cute. He'll be fine. It's not the cutest, but you know what? It works. I want to get like a egg carton thing, you know, one of the paddings to put under everything so it can be like an actual little like couch bed thing. What do you think? Nice? Yeah. Good enough, right? Yeah. Huh? You know, I don't really have a whole lot to work with here, so. But you know what? It works. It works just fine. Look at how perfect to you. I don't know how I would decorate it. Oh, spray it. It's kind of already decorated enough. I don't really want to add anything to the ceiling, I think. Let's look on Pinterest. I would have to buy that. 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 I'd have to buy all this shit. I'm not spending any more money on the car decorations. Oh, it's fine. I think it's cute how it is. You know, it's not too much. It's practical. I've got everything that I would need or want, really. You know what I realized is I actually never named this Squishmallow. Any name ideas? Put it in the comments. I love that like my camera can't what? Oh! I love that my camera can't figure out what to do about the lighting. It just keeps getting confused. Oh, look at its little like tail. That's so cute. Oh my god, it's you again. Bro, this same spider keeps showing up in my car and on my car. Sorry, I got distracted by a jumping spider for about like an hour and a half. I'm just gonna finish this up real fast. Almost done. Also, that's like the 5th time that spider I've seen that same spider. Has like the same markings. I don't know if that means anything, but I'm pretty sure it's the same spider. Because he like lives in my car. Maybe I should name him. He keeps the flies out like these guys. So annoying. Anyway, I love jumping spiders. Live, laugh, love. Hopefully he eats those flies that are in there. But maybe I should name him. So what should I name him? Tell me in the comments. I'm terrible with names. I'll look some up later. It's getting cold out here too. You should probably leave him alone. He's a little camera shy, so we'll leave him alone. I've been staring at him for like an hour. It's just such a cute spider.